wait for 1 minute or 30 minutes. Listen to me, ne? Lalela. Uyazi ukuthi ku TikTok no ku Facebook no ku Wi-Fi and then YouTube channel kuyayenziwa imali but inzima ukuthi uyithole. But is way you can earn money, you can monetization, you can get monetization and you can make money on content, on viewers and likes and then everything you can make money. Okay, so if wena ufuna ukulalela mina ubone ukuthi withini, cala ngokufunda la, mawuceda ufunde futhi la. Ngineshow ukuthi so utholile ukuthi kungani ngitshela ukuthi Wi-Fi iyakwazi ukukhokhela imali yangempela unganawo ama followers 10,000 une 500 followers you can monetize on Wi-Fi. Click if awazi ukuthi ungayithola kanjani le app le, click ku comment section yami ikhona link yakhona ngiyifakile lapho, uklike izokuthatha ikuyise la, udownload le app uyenze i-account yakho nge-email noma ngena-phone number, you can make it and then uthenge ama-diding ama super likes maybe 30 rand uyangaya lawo ma-super likes la. If uyenza kanjalo lama super likes ngizokusiza nami ngizokusendela futhi back ama super likes kuwe ukuthi nawe ukazi usheshe ukuthola i-monetization ku Wi-Fi yakho. Danko.